Now let's look at the solution in the action. For this demonstration, we have ingested a synthetic data related to CIPLA pharmaceuticals. The dataset covers cost of production, actual consumption, and budget allocation financial related data. Please note, this is not a real company data. It has been created only for the demonstration purposes. Let's start. First, start by asking informal question like who created you. As you can see, it replies back, I was created by Lakshman Ghosh. So internally, what it happens, once I have given some query, the classification agent immediately activates, identifies that this is not a metadata related query, and as trained, responds appropriately that I was created by Lakshman Ghosh. So this shows that system can handle both the formal and informal question intelligently. So next, I will try some formal greetings like hi. So as you can see, it responds back, hello, I am here to assist with your data question. How can I help you today? So this demonstrates the conversational capability of the assistant. So now let's move to a data related query. On the left, you can see that I have currently enabled a role selection option in the UI for demonstration. In practice, we can also configure it so that multiple roles assigned to a user can be accessed without switching manually the roles. For now, let's proceed with the role switching enabled. I have choose the role finance role. So if I ask some data related query like what is the cost of CIPLA for last 6 months? So as you can see, it has asked for our clarification. Once I give my clarification that I was actually looking for, it generates the answer. So uh, internally what it happens is that a real user may not always know the full product name, like a stakeholder or some personas that may not know. The intelligent routing agent detects this and prompts me for clarification, saying multiple matches were found. Once I clarify that I actually meant Ciplamol 500 mg tablet, the system refines the query internally. Here, how it works: the system automatically maps user-friendly terms like cost to the exact column name present in a metadata, that is actual value cost, and the user clarification that user have given like Ciplamol 500 mg tablet to its corresponding product entry with the column that it is mapped internally. Like here it is applicable product. So this system has a schema knowledge. This refinement step improves the accuracy of SQL query generation. As a result, it successfully generates the SQL query, execute it, and present the answer back. So let's try our next data related query, like what is the cost of LoRa for 8 months. Similarly, I'm not aware what is the actual product name. I just know the partial information, so I just have given that is LoRa. So the internally the routing system is finding the potential matches and prompting back to us that we found a potential matches, which I want to confirm. For now, I have taken LoRa 10 mg tablets. So you can see that it replies back that you are not authorized to access the information, contact your admin. Uh, if I say that, yeah, definitely I'm not allowed because this current role that I am using, finance role, has no access to LoRa 10 mg tablet. So I will be switching my role to demonstrate it further. I will switch it to Lakshman role that has access to it. After that, I'll repeat the same query. So this time you can see that the solution has provided us the answer because this role has access to it. User also have an option to give a feedback to the responses. This feedback can be tracked by the developer later to fine tune the solution and improve the accuracy over time. Also, we have a result expander where we can see the original data frame returned by the solution. Also, top of that, we have a filter and aggregation support in which we can filter out or do some aggregation upon the data frame returned. So this makes the overall experience both accurate and user friendly. This is all about the solution. Thank you for your time.